All right, we're gonna start knocking some cam bearings in this LSX block. There's nothing too complicated about it. You're basically just beating them in with a hammer, and you just hope once you get them in there that the cam turns good. I mean, that's about all there is to it. I mean, you gotta line one of these holes up. There's two holes in this bearing. With this area over here, there's an oil passage here that intersects this right here where they've got this groove. So you got to get that lined up with that. And knock it in a little bit further.
What happens if you don't get it lined up correctly?
If you don't get it lined up, you don't get any oil flow to your cam bearings.
Well, how do you take it out and put it back? Try again.
Well, typically you get one shot at this, or you know those bearings have a certain amount of press on them, so when you
So if you don't get it the first time, you get to do it again, or you get to buy them again?
pretty much, they're not really designed to be knocked in and then knocked out and knocked back in again. But so on to the next one.
Is there a certain direction you got to hit them in, or?
Yeah, the front three go in from the front, and then the rear two go in from the back. That's just because of the way they chamfered the block. They got the bores chamfered that way.
But the middle bearing, or it's right in the middle of the main, and then as it goes to one side, the bearing is like more on the left side of this, and then this one it's like all the way out. Is that for a reason? And then you know
We're
what I mean?
just lining. This is where the oil passages are at. I line it up with the oil passage. But yeah, the front and rear ones are going to be lined up more towards the front and rear, and then the middle ones are going to be more centered.
Okay.
Well, I mean, the center three are more centered in the bores, but the end ones are more towards the outer edges.